power and versatility of a wood chipper, a device that can turn large blocks of wood into a source of heat or biomass. Watch the video to see firsthand the amazing performance of this device. With a huge capacity of up to 450 horsepower and at an operating speed of 1,000 RPM, this wood chipper is truly a technological miracle. In just one day, it finished cleaning up the forest, quickly and effectively. It's great that the NHS 1000 400 wood chipper is loved and recommended for heating plants. You will be surprised at how this machine continuously swallows large trees quickly and effectively. This Bandit 2090 XP wood chipper is so powerful that it can shred large tree trunks in an instant. After the storm, the city was filled with large collapsed trees, creating a chaotic and dangerous scene. However, the Moorburg M15R wood chipper appeared as a hero, clearing all obstacles, shredding large trees into pieces to restore the beauty of the city. Petzolato BT-H900 wood chipper with chip drum, with flexible size adjustment, can process a variety of wood types, making biomass creation easier and more efficient than ever. By chopping wood and collecting sawdust into trucks, city spaces quickly become cleaner and tidier. Unbelievable, this wood chipper is powerful as a beast, processing a whole bunch of wood in minutes. The chipper and mini excavator are a dynamic duo, working smoothly and effectively in felling and processing trees on the area. They make a perfect mechanism to clean up the garden and prepare it for house construction, quickly and conveniently. He hired himself a Bandit 250 XP wood chipper to clean up his garden, and luckily the job went quite smoothly. However, he also needs to wear protective gear carefully to ensure his own safety. There were quite a few dry trees around the house, and to prepare for winter, he decided to rent a chipper to turn them into wood chips, providing warm fuel for the family throughout the cold season. Watching the wood chipper work, you will be amazed at how it, like a predator, devours huge trees and turns them into small, easy to manage pieces. It's great that wherever the UK's green take, 1,445 wood chipper goes. The excess branches are processed cleanly. With an outstanding capacity of more than 785 horsepower and the ability to process with larger than 40 cm in diameter, the PTH900 wood chipper certainly masters all challenges in wood processing and forest management effectively and quickly. Very impressed with this wood chipper with a nearly 20 meters long crane. Getting wood into the loading compartment becomes incredibly easy and flexible.
So we did this job basically in the dark last night. Two big guns right there, 3 guns.
Carving the top of the tree is an important part of helping the wood chipper operate smoothly and efficiently, thereby increasing production productivity. Miraculously this powerful, Yukon's Green Tech 400 to wood chipper is a symbol of cutting-edge technology, delivering outstanding performance. It's impressive to see how quickly and efficiently the Bandit 18 XP wood chipper can convert difficult to process wood into small chips. In Norway, if a tree declines by about 30%, the tree is in its final stages. Therefore, treating trees earlier with a Bandit chipper saves costs for owners. The Bandit 2590 reel chipper shredded large and small trees quickly, freeing up 38 acres of land. I am very impressed with this too. 50 XP Bandit chopper every time I see it operating. Both powerfully and nimbly. I can't seem to take my eyes off it. In Africa, the Bosch's Tomcat wood chipper is perfect when you want to clear your farm of invasive bush species. Although this chopping machine has a large capacity, it seems that chopping that wood is too much for it. The worker had to stop halfway to find another solution. This wood chipper is the hero of all big yard jobs, although they are a bit noisy. They chop trees faster than you can cut them, to put them in the trash. Thanks to this compact chopper, he can easily move them along to clean the whole garden. with a capacity of more than 200 horsepower. Chopping trees up to 40 centimeters in diameter with the BC1 500 chipper is easy.